Hello everybody and welcome back to MDTV. Here we are in 2025, so soon. This is one of our 2025 models. A little bit to go through, but it'll only take 5 or 6 minutes, so bear with us. It's called the Tracker, and we're going to be doing them in 4 mile an hour, 6 mile an hour and 8 mile an hour. So you've got the Tracker 4. The only difference between the Tracker 4 and all the other ones, it will not have this big captain seat on. It'll just have the little low back, you know, like a scooter seat. It's still a lovely seat, but that's the difference between the 4 mile an hour and the 6 mile an hour. After that, it's only the speed. So you get on the 6 mile an hour, you get the captain seat. They're a nice size machine, not too big, not too small. There are quite a lot of other things that we'll come to in a second. We're doing them with 3 different types of tyres on, in fact 4 probably. You've got the round smooth ones, which you can see on your film there, and then we've got the block tyres. Now, why is there 4? Because we can do these in pneumatic, we can do the blocks in pneumatic, we can do these in solid, we can do the blocks in solid. So you have an absolute choice there of which tyre that you want. If you think you're going to get punctures or you're going to be worried about getting punctures, then whichever tyre you choose, we can make them solid for you. They come complete with your wing mirrors. This is all the models. They come complete with your hazard warning lights. I'll just pop the lights on that one. I think that's come on. No, it hasn't. Just switch it on. And as you can see, they're quite bright. The other thing that they do is when you're driving along, when you stop, the brake lights come on, and yet again they're a real bright light. Now at the moment we've got the rear lights on. I'll just switch them off, and then you can see with that off, even with them off, they will come on when you brake. The unique thing about these that we rather like is that you've got one size scooter to do all the jobs. So you've got your 4, your 6 and your 8, as I've said. Your top one, by the way, is called, we're calling that the Trekker Sport. So you've got Trekker 4, Trekker 6 and Trekker Sport. So the 8 mile an hour was the Sport. I'm just going to move this one forward. I'm going to bring David in so I can keep talking to you while David comes in onto film. So I'll just move this forward. It's not totally unique, but it really is a really, really good asset. Come on in, David. David's going to take this one apart for us. The reason he's taking it apart is because although this is a round the town type scooter, the nice bit about it is that you can take it apart to put it into a car. Now, don't be under the illusion in any shape or form. And as you can see with there, you know, David's having to work hard to get that seat off. That's because it's new. You know, they do get better for a bit of use. So you would take your seat off. Other side, David. Yeah, the other side, because what's happened there is actually has a lip on which actually holds the batteries down. So you take your batteries off. Yet again, these are big 50 amp batteries. So yet again, they've got a real good range with them. I think the top range on one of these is about 26, 27 miles. And then what happens is you lift the lever at the back, lift the front off the back, like so. The front, yeah, not lightweight, but they're a powerful little machine. The front will then fold down by just pulling the lever at the bottom. It is a lever on these, which is actually it's great, because usually there's like a big curl button on the front and they take a little bit of undoing. So as you can see, it will take apart and it will go into your car. Now, I'm not sure whether I've covered everything there, but I'm pretty sure I have. We've got all these in stock, so come and try them. We can bring them to you. Always remember that we can do home demos. So if you're wanting us to bring 3 or 4 different machines in the van to your house, we can do that. It's not a problem. You know, we're here to help you. So that's it for now. Just so to let you know that we have the Trekker 4, 6 and 8 in stock. But the nice thing about them is they do take apart for the car. So yet again, as always, thank you for your time. This is one of our 2025 models. There will be more to come and there will be more film to come. See you soon.